Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this star and wall tile, both from Dollar Tree. I removed the hanger from the star, put a piece of tape on it, kind of find the spot in the center of that wall tile and mark that down, and then tape the star to that spot, just trying to get it as centered as possible on there. I trace it and cut it out. I take tacky glue and I'm applying that to one side of the star, covering that side completely, and placing the wall tile down on that and letting that dry. Once it's completely adhered, I go around and sand off any excess tile. I then take true navy acrylic paint and paint the entire thing. Once that's completely dry, I take a minimal amount of white acrylic paint on a fan brush and distress all of those raised textured areas on the star. Next, I'm taking two different style fabrics. The red and white one came from Walmart and the muslin fabric came from Amazon. I had pulled apart strips that are about an inch, putting a few of the pieces of fabric lied together, and then take another piece of the fabric and knot it in the center of those. I then trim them all up so they're not hanging down too long on the star. Next, I'm taking these clear stamps I got from Temu, placing USA on this stamp pad that I got from Dollar Tree, and stamping on that onto this tag. And then take one of those strings from pulling apart the fabric and put that on the tag, and then tie that to the center of that fabric where I had made that knot. And then take that and hot glue it to the star. I then have this small piece of scrap wood, and I had marked two spots where I need to drill holes in. I'm using a 1/4 inch drill bit. I don't drill all the way through. And then I'm cutting down this 0.187 dowel in half. And then I cover the piece of wood as well as those two pieces of dowel with antique wax by Waverly, using a baby wipe to apply it. The piece of wood I'm using is about 5¼ inches by 1½ inch. I add hot glue into those holes I drilled and place in the dowels. And then add hot glue to the tops of those dowels and place on the star. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.